Slimy Crud Run is quite possibly the coolest motorcycle gathering you have never heard of. It is a biannual event that dates back to the 1970s. There are no big ad campaigns, no corporate sponsors, no local or regional newspaper or TV promotions. If you know, you know. There are also no set routes. The 2 points of interest are the town of Pine Bluff and the town of Leland. The roads in the area are some of the most scenic and curvy in the state. The event is held on the first Sunday in May and also the first Sunday in October. This is my second time at the Crud Run. The last time I was there was in 2021, and that was also a beautiful weekend. According to many of the Crud Run veterans I talked to, the 2024 Crud Run was one of the largest turnouts to date. In the past, attendance has been anywhere between 1,000 to 3,000 bikes. It really is a sight you must experience. You will see some very interesting and collectible motorcycles. I went down with a coworker Sunday morning. He had his 2023 Moto Marini while I was on my 2018 Triumph Bonneville Bobber. These bikes fit right in with the vibe of the Crud Run. Let's take a walk through the event and check out some of the unique bikes that were there. Dude, okay, the only reason I want it now is just because of the trunk. This is fucking sweet. And I love the teal Goldwing. We could have got one, but I thought you had to have a buyer for one though, or something. I can't. There was like a stipulation.
Well, it was a flash sale.
Yeah.
So you had to buy it, then go to the dealer you chose.
Right.
To get it shipped to you.
You can buy those right now.
And they're cheap, I bet.
What's that?
And they're cheap, I bet.
No.
I know. They're not.
I always liked the Firebolt.
Yeah, I always thought that was a good looking bike.
I always wanted to get one of those.
Yeah, I always thought they were cool.
And you can get them for $3-4 grand.
Yeah. I don't know how reliable they really were, but they're cheap enough, you know.
You know what this is, dude? It's a Panther. It is. It's a Panther. It's a big single cylinder.
That is a weird looking engine.
I've never seen
Look at the rear passenger pegs.
I've never seen one of these in my life.
Really? I never have either. Panther, England.
And he's the guy, I mean, this guy's shop, he moved up by the Dells. I mean, he's got grips.
Got the pipes on. I mean, it's this is a very good one.
He's just a
Yeah, the color is awesome.
but he's, you know, back so he, you know, Dells is territory. You get up there. It's not like, hey, down here, that's a shit.
Send that to what's his face? Dave Spooner.
Oh, yeah.
That's the engine that he uses all the time. Oh, look at this. Sunbeam.
Yeah, these are way neat.
That lasted about 2 days, and then there was hail coming away.
That's radical.
That's sweet.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Right?
I love this. This is awesome. I mean,
Yeah. Yeah, they got some neat Harleys here.
There.
Yeah, Panhead there, yeah.
Does that got the screen on it?
Very little one. Yeah, this is two. The newer one has a little bit bigger screen. Yeah, yeah. So this one still works.
Oh yeah, for sure. Great camera.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's cool.
What I want, I made these plastics up to the size. I don't have all.
I just think it's funny. That bobber's pretty nicely done.
Night on, yes. I always like those.
This is pretty cool. I like how they did that. The seat.
Yep. Kinda like- almost
500?
looks like your Triumph bobber.
This is the inspiration for the Triumph bobber right here. It's pretty well done, man. It's cool. You like the controls he has on it? Bikes kept arriving at Pine Bluff, but unfortunately we were on a slight schedule and needed to head north to Leland. Again, since there are no planned routes between the two towns, you can take as long or as short as time you would like. We chose a fairly direct yet fun route. Leland is really in the middle of nowhere, but in true Wisconsin form, they do offer a couple choices in taverns. They also did not disappoint with the amount of cool bikes on display. Old one there.
Yeah. Probably 68.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, yeah. CX500, man. My buddy had one of them.
Okay.
Sportster.
This is cool.
I like it, actually. I really dig it.
I mean, this is
So I thought I had, very limited range.
gallon and a half.
Yeah. Man, that is a peanut tank. It's cool. Man, that thing is just freaking pretty.
Yeah, it's good. Oh, my legs are like numb. Well, I got it later. Picture that one.
This is pretty cool.
Yeah, look at the bags.
I know. That's nice. Dude, look at this Uzi over here too.
Canada, Nick Adam.
Eldorado. That's freaking rad.
Look at that helmet, dude.
I know. I know. I should have had my.
Right up your alley.
I love them goofy colors. We have the root beer one this year. I have to buy it. It's back in production.
So far, yeah. I haven't had a fully apart, so I didn't want to make sure that's safe and all that. But, yeah.
That's Springer too. See, I would be okay with that color.
Probably a 2-ring.
That would be definitely one that I would buy.
Old California.
Oh yeah.
Look at that chrome on the tank. Look at the bags.
Wow.
So it's Iramachi.
Yeah. Got a 554, yep. Oh, dude. Look at that Speed Twin. That's really freaking cool.
Well, you can put it in yours if you want.
Forgot how everything had small ass tanks back in the day.
Yeah.
The colors don't, but it's kind of cool. Carbon fiber head covers. No. Oh yes, right up my alley. 85 big red. Look at that, Grande Rojo. Yeah. 225 DX. This is the Yamaha version. So a shaft drive. These are actually pretty cool and fucking rare. The Yamahas were the wheelie machines. You see how far back the engine is? It's so freaking. They had a lot of traction in the snow.
Look at that.
Bentley, that's what it says.
Color in the back.
Yeah. It's for when he wants to go faster, he turns that on.
Right on the end, yeah. Michael's gave it away to begin with, and I'm like, you know what, that's cool.
After hanging out in Leland for a few hours, we took a roundabout route back north to home. One thing about this area of the state is you really don't need a large event to give you a reason to get out on two wheels. The roads are very entertaining and the scenery is some of the best the Midwest has to offer. I love making it down to the Crud Run, but I would come back anytime just to ride. I will link the event in the description if you would like to check out more. I suggest you make an attempt to see it yourself. As with most biannual events, the spring event is usually the larger of the two. But regardless of when you attend, I am sure you will enjoy your time. Thank you for watching, especially if you made it to the end of the video. If you did, please leave me a comment, as I am always curious who watches these in their entirety. If you would like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing. I look forward to seeing you in a future video.